Hello and welcome to the daily number workout for fourth grade. Today is the number 76. So let's get started with our word form. 76. And because it ends with a 6, it is an even number. So let's go for our factors. So we know 1 times 76 equals 76. Because it's even, 2 does go in. So let's get our scrap paper out and do some division here. 2 goes into 7 3 times because 3 times 2 is 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. 2 doesn't go into 1, so we're done with that column. Drop down the 6. 2 goes into 16 8 whole times because 8 times 2 is 16. Nothing left over, so we're done. So 2 goes into 76 38 times. Does 3 go into 76? I'm not sure. Let's try it out. 3 goes into 7 2 times because 2 times 3 is 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. 3 doesn't go into 1, so we're done with that column. Drop down the 6. 3 goes into 15 evenly, but not 16. So 3 does not go into 76 evenly. Does 4? Well, it's an even number. Let's try it out. 4 goes into 7 one time because 1 times 4 is 4. We subtract that out. 7 minus 4 is 3. 4 doesn't go into 3. Let's drop down the 6. 4 goes into 36 9 whole times because 9 times 4 is 36. And so 4 goes in 19 times. Does 5 go in? Well, 5 doesn't go into any number. It needs to be a 0 or a 5 in the ones place. Does 6 go in? Well, it's an even number. Let's try 6. So I'm going to fold that over. Sometimes we just have to try it out. 6 goes into 7 one time because 1 times 6 is 6. Subtract that out. 7 minus 6 is 1. 6 doesn't go into 1, so we can drop down the next number. 6 goes into 16. It goes into 12, and it goes into 18. So it doesn't go into that evenly, so 6 will not go in. Does 7 go in? Well, 7 goes into 70 and then 77. 8 doesn't go in because it goes into 72 and 80. 9 doesn't go in because 7 plus 6 is 13 and 1 plus 3 is 4. So we are done. Actually, if we find out that 19 is a prime number, so that would tell us that we are done as well. Lots of ways to figure out when we're done with our factors. Let's go for our multiples. Practicing multiplication. We know 176 is 76. Let's drop down and do 2 76s. 2 times 6 is 12. Drop the 2, carry the 1. 2 times 7 is 14, plus 1 is 15. So we have 152. 3 76s. 3 times 6 is 18. Drop the 8, carry the 1. 3 times 7 is 21, plus 1 is 22. 228. 4 times 76. 4 times 6 is 24. Drop the 4, carry the 2. 4 times 7 is 28, plus 2 is 30. 304. 76 times 5. 5 times 6 is 30. Drop the 0, carry the 3. 5 times 7 is 35, plus 3 is 38. 380. 76 times 6. 6 times 6 is 36. Drop the 6, carry the 3. 6 times 7 is 42, plus 3 is 45. 456. 76 times 7. 7 times 6 is 42. Drop the 2, carry the 4. 7 times 7 is 49, plus 4 is 53. 532. 76 times 8. 8 times 6 is 48. Drop the 8, carry the 4. 8 times 7 is 56, plus 4 is 60. 608. 9 76s. 9 times 6 is 54. Drop the 4, carry the 5. 9 times 7 is 63, plus 5 is 68, 684. And any number times 10 is that number with a 0 in the ones place. So there's the first 10 multiples of 76. Let's move on to addition. So dropping down here, we have 76 plus 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus nothing is 7. 76 plus 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. 7 plus nothing is 7. 76 plus 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. 7 plus nothing is 7. 76 plus 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. Drop the 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. 76 plus 5. 6 plus 5 is 11. Drop the 1, carry the 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. 76 plus 4. 76 plus 6 is 12. Drop the 2, carry the 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. 76 plus 7. 6 plus 7 is 13. Drop the 3, carry the 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. 76 plus 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. Drop the 4, carry the 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. 76 plus 9. 6 plus 9 is 15. Drop the 5, carry the 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. 76 plus 10. 6 plus 0 is 6. 7 plus 1 is 8. And we're done with addition. Go ahead and get the rest of these cards off of here so I can move on. Move the paper up. There we go. We're going to start with our last sum to start our subtraction. So 86 minus 76. 6 minus 6. So this is our subtraction. 6 minus 6 is 0. 8 minus 7 is 1. 85 minus 76. So we're just going down 1 each time. 6 from 5 cannot do. Borrow from the 8, making it 7, making that 15 minus 6 is 9. 7 minus 7, nothing. 84 minus 76. 6 from 4 cannot do. Borrow from the 8, leaving 7, making that 14 minus 6 is 8. 7 minus 7, nothing. 83 minus 76. 6 from 3 cannot do. Borrow from the 8, leaving 7, making that 13 minus 6 is 7. 7 minus 7, nothing. 82 minus 76. 6 from 2 cannot do. Borrow from the 8, leaving 7, making that 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. 7 minus 7, nothing. 81 minus 76. 6 from 1 cannot do. Borrow from the 8, leaving 7, making that 11 minus 6 is 5. 7 minus 7, nothing. 80 minus 76. 6 from 0 can't do. Borrow from the 8, leaving 7, making that 10 minus 6 is 4. 7 minus 7, nothing. 79 minus 76. Sorry about that. 9 minus 6 is 3. 7 minus 7, nothing. 78 minus 76. 8 minus 6 is 2. 7 minus 7, nothing. 77 minus 76. 7 minus 6 is 1. 7 minus 7, nothing. So there we have our subtraction. We're done with that. Let's move on to our measurement with fractions. Inches. We have 76 inches today. Let's go for feet. We know it takes 12 inches to make a foot, so we're going to put our inches over our 12 sets. We need a set of 12, and we're going to break it apart into an addition problem to visually see how this works. But we're actually doing division, folks. We're dividing it into groups of 12. So we know it can do 6 sets of 12. So we're going to put those 6 sets out here because 6 sets of 12 is 72. So this is 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, and then there's still 4 more to make 76. So we know we can get 6 and 4/12 feet. There we have it. All right, let's go for yards, and we're going to use our feet to get our yards. So it takes 36 inches to make a yard. So we know 3/12 make 36. So there's a yard right there. So 36 over 36. And then there's a yard right there, 3/12, 36 over 36. Whoops, another addition sign there. Plus that 4/36. We have 4 more here. And so that would be 1, 2 whole and 40, 36 of a yard. Nice going. Let's go for our centimeters, our metric form. So we're talking, if we're talking length, we have 76 centimeters, lowercase c, lowercase m. We're going to put those into decimeters. We know it takes 10 centimeters to make a decimeter. We have 76. So we're going to break that apart into sets of 10 or groups of 10. We know out of 76, we can get 7 tens out of that. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because there's 7 tens in the tens place value. And then we have 6 more. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 whole and 6/10 decimeters. Looking good. Let's go for meters. It takes 100 centimeters to make a meter. We have 76, not quite a whole. So we have 76 hundredths of a meter. And there we have it for our linear measurement in standard form and metric form. Hopefully you've checked yours all off. I always say, put a little check next to everything that you did that I'm doing, so you are following along with me easily. All right, ounces is our liquid measurement, standard form. We have 76 ounces today. We want to change that into cups. We know it takes 8 ounces to make a cup, so we're going to put that 76 over the 8 so we can divide it into groups of 8. And I'll lay that out there. So we know we can go all the way up to here, which is 9/8. 9 sets of 8 is 72. So we're going to make 9 sets of 8. To show our eighths. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72. And we still have 4 more to make the 76. So that would be 9 4/8 cups. All right, looking good. So again, once we have that, we can use this problem to solve this one. So it takes 16 ounces to make a pint. We have 76. So we're going to start putting these into 16s. So 8 plus 8 is 16. So there's 1 pint. There's 2 pints. There's 3 pints. There's 4 pints. This is not quite a pint. This is just 12. So we're going to put 12 over 16. 8 plus 4 is 12. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 whole and 12/16 of a pint. Looking good. Let's go on to quarts. We're going to use our pints to figure out our quarts. So quarts takes 32 ounces to make a quart. We have 76. So we're going to create an addition problem to equal 76 32s. So 2/16 equal 32. So there's 1 quart. 2/16, 2 quarts. And then we have 12 of 32. So we have 1, 2 whole and 12, 32 quart. All right. We added these up, it would equal 76. We added these up, it would equal 76. If we add all this up, breaking it apart in different sizes. We broke it apart in cups, pints, quarts. Let's go to gallons. It takes 128 ounces to make a gallon. We only have 76, so we have just a part of a gallon, no more.